The idea of this lesson is to show you how to prepare a project in Magix Sequoia or Samplitude. So Sequoia is open and we have the Start Wizard window, and I'm going to click on New Multi-Track Project VIP. First, I'm going to name the project and set up the project folder where all the project files will be located. I'd like to name it IMP Week 2, which automatically creates my new project subdirectory in the audio directory on my hard drive. I'm going to start this project with 8 tracks. I'm leaving the sample rate at 44.1 kHz as the final composition format will be a CD. Project length is to be 10 minutes. Now I'm going to click on Project Options, where I can define the settings for my project. The snap is already set to bars and beats. I agree with the default snap resolution. I click to enable the grid set to the same bars and beats. The default BPM is 120, and I'm going to change it to 90. Click OK on the project options to close it, and another click to close the setup for the new project. Now we have our 8-track project opened. The next thing to do is to press Y on the keyboard to open the system options, where I'm going to check hardware audio system setup. Make sure the ASIO is selected as the system driver. I'm choosing the PreSonus as my device. The default buffer is 512 samples, so I'm going to lower it down to 128. The hardware control panel is opened, so I can change the buffer size. Monitoring is set to the hybrid engine, which gives me the lowest latency. Mix input and playback is checked. You will be able to hear the input during playback. Click OK to close the system options. Now we need to check the recording file parameters. Press Shift-R on the keyboard to open the dialog. We're going to use WAV file format. The other option is to use AIFF as uncompressed file format. Click Format option to check that there is no compression. We are going to record 24-bit in stereo. Click Close to return to our main window. And now we successfully set up our first project in Sequoia Samplitude and are ready to record. Thank you for watching.